Hey guys, so today is Sunday and wala akong magawa. So I'm just staying at home. I'm still on my annual leave and dahil dyan, I'm going to do my skincare and makeup routine, just the simple ones. The one that I usually do whenever I go to work. So I actually asked my friends on Instagram if they can actually send me questions kung meron silang gustong tanongin with regards to like mortgage, life in the UK, but obviously alam naman nila what's happening. So alam naman nila yun kung how's life here. So for those of you who doesn't know me yet, I think this is the time to finally introduce myself. So I'm gonna do my skincare routine and my makeup. So first, I'll just check if my microphone's still working. So I usually in the morning I use Rode. Kailangan ko na talagang mag-start kasi my skin is so dry and nagbe-break siya. Right. So ganyan ako maglagay ng skincare product. There we go. Simple and the moisturizer feels so good. The moisturizing skin. So yeah, first question is, can you please introduce yourself? So my name is Nawami and I'm from Tacloban, a small town in Leyte. So not much. I think maybe next time I can tell you the story. But yeah, so doon ako lumaki and then dreaming of kahit pala ito mahirap ko na. Anyway, so I grew up in Tacloban and then it's because I was dreaming ever since I was a kid to go to come here in London. Mainly because I don't know why, but I think one of the reasons was because my dad is already here in knowing that my dad is already here in London when I was a kid. So I was like, the hirap in the Philippines, like mahirap yung buhay. So I didn't come from a wealthy or affluent family. So yung sakto lang, like working class. But when you say working class, it's different in the Philippines. So yeah, so we're not hindi kami mayaman. But my parents, my stepdad and my mom managed to send me to nursing school, one of the prestigious one, I should say. Yeah. So yun, and then nangarap ako makapag-abroad. So nainggit ako. Sabi ko, maganda rin naman siguro yung life abroad kesa dito kasi na hindi wala na akong nagawang makeup. Puro na lang ganda yan kasi alam nyo, be careful talaga sa mga pagko-comment kasi pagsisisihan mo yan at the end dahil ang daldal ko hindi ako yung tipong silent na only kung kung first time niya akong makilala, yun lang. Pero sa mga nakakakilala na sa akin, alam nila na ako yung my last say kahit ano pa rin. So anyway, nasa na ba tayo? So yeah, nangarap ako just like maganda kasi when you're in the Philippines and then when you see someone abroad, sasabihin mo na, ay, ang ganda naman ng life doon. They can afford this things that we can't. Na mag-ano pa tayo, we will save for a couple of months or years para lang mabili itong gusto natin, and then sa kanila it's so easy. At saka sabi ko, I don't want na this life na parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka kukuha ng pera. Like, you need money. It's so hard to look for. At saka, I don't know. Anyway, and also, may interest pa. So, life was hard for me back then. But not too hard naman. I still enjoyed my life in the Philippines. I've got friends who encourages me and everything. At saka, I'm more independent naman. So I was like, paano kaya pumunta ng ibang bansa? Kasi, it's either mag-nursing ka that time, and then you can apply for the US, pero parang may queue siya mahaba-haba yung queue. And then, I don't know about that part, pero parang, when I was in the Philippines, sabi ko, gusto ko yung parang madali sana. So, I didn't know the process here in London, kung paano mo kukunin yung anak mo and all, but all of it, I know na, because I've been living here for so long. And then, yon. So, sabi ko, good thing na buti na lang yung nursing that time was really popular, massive. Parang yung hiring talaga ng ibang bansa was so good na makakapag-apply ka agad. So yeah, good thing naman na iraos ng stepdad ko at saka ng mom ko, because it's expensive for the tuition fee, and I'm glad naman na pasa ko silang lahat. Tsaka 1/3, nakaka-proud talaga yung mga ganun. Proud na proud talaga yung lola ko, everyone in my family, my nurse sa family namin. And then, yeah, that's it. And then, buti na lang, nung what you call this one? Experience naman. Just checking if may microphone pa ako. So, when it comes to experience naman, for nursing experience, it was so hard. You need to pay. Totoo naman yan. You have to pay for your experience, and then, just gonna get here. And also, you only have few time off. So, unlike here, sabi mo, maganda talaga kasi you have like 2 to 3 months, imagine, compared to 2 weeks in the Philippines. That time, ha? And then, sumasahod ka pa ng 7K, tapos dito yung 7K mo is secret. And then, yeah, ganun siya. Just gonna put the dry skin ko. Yun, so, yun, 10 minutes na tayo nagchichika, no ba yan? Hindi pa ako nakapag-usad. Introduce yourself pa lang yun. Basta, I'll tell you more about it as we go along. Okay, and then, where are you from? Yeah, from Tacloban. Where do you live now? So, I live in London. And, yeah, I'm happy. Happy naman ako dito so far. So, from the moment I stepped in this country, sabi ko talaga, this is it. I feel much more happier, more secure, at saka, parang the freedom lang, for like financial freedom. Kasi sa Philippines naman, walang savings, yung mga ganun. Tapos, mangungutang, mga ganun. Ayokong maranasan yun ulit. Like, you're gonna go to someone, tapos mag-iisip ka na lang, not good for your mental health. So, yun, sabi ko, I think I'm gonna settle here. Masaya ako dito from the very beginning. So, never akong I don't know if ako lang, pero nalulungkot naman ako, homesick. Like, mas gusto ko nandito yung mom at saka yung kapatid ko, sister ko talaga. And it will be perfect. Kung pwede lang na like Lucas, dito na sila manirahan, but it's not that easy. Pero happy ako dito talaga. So, yun. And then, more of it next time. So I'm just gonna try to answer some of the basic ones. And what made you start YouTube? It's because I like posting on Instagram. And then, most of my colleagues nagtatanong, they were asking me if, oh, how did you manage this, like that, like that, like that. And they were surprised whenever I tell them the story behind it. So I was like, what? And then the feedback was like, oh, you inspired me, like this, like the knowing that you came from not a wealthy family, like from hirap talaga. So they were like, I inspired them with that, and I didn't know that until na-share ko sa kanila. So now, I was like, why not? Itong mga naiisip ko, I'm just gonna share it with you guys para naman. Kasi ako yung tipong when naisip ko or nasabi ko sa mind ko, wala. After that, makakalimutan ko na. So it's like I'm having conversation already with someone even though I haven't said anything yet. So parang ganun siya. So why not mag-ano na lang ako, mag-share or mag-YouTube para at least isahan na yung tanong. At saka, at least kung may additional question pa kayo, then I can answer them. So yun, that's what made me. At saka nag-post naman ako ng Instagram, so isahin ko na lang rin lahat. What kind of content do you want to create on your channel? Just simple lifestyle vlog. Kasi yun rin naman, hindi naman ako super ma-travel. So I'm not gonna go on travel. So yung usual lang, like I'm mostly at home. So mas na-enjoy ko yung stay rin dito sa bahay lang. At saka sabihin man natin less gasto. But napapa-shopping din naman ako. So win-win, ewan, I don't know, pero ganun pa rin. So, yeah, sabi ko, I'll do a lifestyle vlog. Kasi yun din naman yung ginagawa ko when I post in Instagram. So, isahin ko na lang lahat kasi naman pating-ting. Diba? At saka parang magandang hobby rin siya, to be honest. Parang, sabi ko, kesa naman nagsuscroll lang ako sa Instagram, nauubos yung oras ko doon. Mag-edit na lang ako ng video, tsaka mag-film and see how it goes. So, I'm using pala Maybelline Express Brow. I've been using this for like 6 years now. Precise kasi masyado yung ano niya. Yung pencil, the way you use it, parang mas may control ako for my kilay. I need to concentrate, guys, kasi baka sabi na nila they're not twins, they're sisters, but I need to concentrate kasi para maganda ng kilay natin. At alam niyo ba, just to let you know, nahirapan talaga ako if, kung nagsa-start kayo, it's okay. If you don't know yet, ano yung i-content niyo. Kasi nga, you're still experimenting. Parang, you're trying to figure out pa kung ano talaga yung best for you. So, I think dahil sa kadaldalan ko, mag-Taglish na lang ako. Pagod ako sa English. biruin mo yun, ever since pumunta ko dito, English. Tapos nakilala ko agad yung jowa ko, English na naman. Sa bahay, English. Sa work, English. Medyo may halong Tagalog. And then, pag pumunta akong holiday sa kanila, English na naman. Lahat yung puro puti, English. Pati yung aso puti, literal na kulay puti. English rin ako, Dante, where's the ball? Gaganon-ganon kabi. Ay, naku. So, yung waray ko, sa kapatid ko at sa mom ko, medyo nagagamit. So, before, waray, Tagalog, and English. Ngayon, English, Tagalog, tsaka waray. Minsan nga parang na ano pa ako ng waray, parang hindi, wala na dyan yung katigasan eh. Napunta sa English, hindi. So, yun. Nabubulol ako minsan pag waray. 1B, medyo maganda-ganda na ang kilay natin. Chika minute pala dapat to eh. Chika minute. And then next, what's the next question here? So what does a normal day in your life usually look like? So usually, mostly Instagram talaga. Kasi nanonood ako ng mga memes. Tsaka sinasend ko yun sa mga katrabaho ko. And also mga cat reels para naman sa kapatid ko, sa mga friend kong gusto ng pusa. Doon talaga naubos yung time ko. And then food, fashion, and not really makeup, parang hindi ako masyadong ma-makeup na tao, char. Yon, and then, so usually, nagbabasa ng books, tapos, ano lang talaga, making sure na nag-rest talaga ako ng mabuti during my days off. And also, cleaning, pag hindi ako tinatamad. Mostly naman pag naka-lock in ako, go sa cleaning. So, I would rather do it, whenever all is working. Kasi at least walang masyadong, sagabal sa paglilinis ko. Yan. And then, so my eyebrows done. I have this NARS lip balm. So, dry rin yung mga lips. And I've been using okay, bilisan ko to. Oopsie. I've been using is it safe? Maubos na siya. Sleep tint. So, ginaganyan ko ng konti-konti lang. Light coverage. Parang ganyan. Maganda ko siya. Parang nakaka-glow. Hindi na ako bumili ng mga iba pang foundation. As much as possible, ubusin ko na lang kung ano yung meron ako. Yan yung isa sa mga tipid tips ko. Tsaka maganda naman siya sa skin ko. Hindi naman siya super dry. Hindi nakaka-dry actually. Tsaka light coverage. Ayoko ng full coverage kasi minsan dahil dry yung skin ko, nag-tip sila. And tinatamad akong magtingin-tingin kung ano yung babagay na foundation sa akin. Ganun. Parang pangit naman ng light nito pag may makeup na. Change natin ng color. Good bright. Or medyo malayo na lang siguro. Yan. So, and then, ano pa ba? what do I enjoy doing on my free time? I think we're gonna cut that part na lang kasi for next ano, mahaba-haba na it's already 20 minutes na akong nagre-record. Tapos hindi ko pa nasasabi lahat. If you have any questions pala, just leave on the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them. Kahit ano pa yan, like work-related, fashion brands, dahil I tell you, I've already bought expensive stuff, so I can tell as well na kung ano yung mga bagay na worth your money. And the food, I usually cook at home and eat out as well with my partner, so I can recommend something for you. And also travel. I've been to Asia and some parts of Europe, and then looking forward for this coming years since I'm already a British citizen. So yeah, and then just to add up, I'm just gonna put blush on na lang here. So what I used pala, Kadili Road, and then this 1345 Dr. Althea. It's because it really helps my skin keep its moisture. And this is the lipstick that I'm gonna show you. Maganda talaga siya. It's Dior Lip Addict. See? Blue Moon. And then lagyan natin ng MAC lip liner. Yan. Tabi na ito isa. Better. And then my go-to blush on is this one in shade Without. So nagtatap-tap lang. Fresh lang. Ganyan lang siya. So that's it. That's all for now. And we'll have part 2 pag may mga questions na kayo. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you and catch you on the next one.